Hi dancers, welcome. For those of you who are just joining me today, my name's Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet. Everyday Ballet is really ballet made for everybody, especially adult learners. You don't have to have a ballet body, you don't have to know anything about ballet. I'm here to show you all of it and how to bring ballet gorgeousness to your life. In this video, I'm so excited. We're going to be continuing on. This is part 2 of the instructional tutorials for our Waltz of the Flower dance. Now, if you haven't yet done part 1, make sure to check out the instructional videos as well as the choreography. And in this, we are going to learn yet another step that we're going to be adding to our choreography in just a few days. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. Our main step for the second section of our Waltz of the Flowers dance is called balancé. Balancé means rocking. So this is a rocking step, and it's something we see all the time in ballet choreography. And it's basically 3 little steps. So before we do any turnout of the legs and kind of make it into the ballet format, let's just take the legs in parallel. Now you'll notice I have a bar here. You don't have to have a bar, but definitely face a counter, a dresser, the back of a chair, or a bar stool, just so that you have some light support. So go ahead and face your support and take the seams of the feet together so the legs are in parallel. So a balancé, a rocking step, is sometimes called a waltz step. And it's a waltz step because it happens in 3/4 time. Well, what does that mean? That means that we are doing 3 steps. There are 3 motions for every 4 beats. So let's go over. You don't have to remember that, but you'll see what I mean as we do it. So starting in parallel. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one leg and we're going to step over to the side. Not very far. Keep it very, very small. Remember, I'm your mirror image. So if I'm stepping with my right, you are facing me. You're stepping with your left. We're moving in the same direction. So taking the leg, take a small little step, and as you take that step, bring the other foot in and bend both knees. Okay, so the step is down. We're bending the knees. Let's try that again. From our parallel position, we take a step to bend. Okay, so that's 2 beats right there. We go step and bend. And then we're going to go up, up. So we have the knees bent. Now you're going to step up on the balls of the feet with straight legs. So we go up, up. And now we go the other way. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. Bend, straight, straight. Bend, straight, straight. So you see how you're just alternating feet with the rhythm of bend, straight, straight. Down, up, up, down. Don't worry about pointing the toes just yet. Don't worry about turning out the feet. We're just doing this. The important part here is that you get this rhythm going, this gentle down, up, up, and that as you bend the knees, they're nice and smooth. And you're maintaining that beautiful posture. So try not to let your shoulders get involved here. Try to just let your legs bend, straight, straight, bend, straight, straight. You see, that is the rocking motion. Straight, straight, you're going bend, straight, straight, bend, straight, straight. In fact, I find it's really helpful to take the head over that bending leg. So take it to the bend, straight, straight, take it to the bend, straight, straight, and again, straight, straight, bend, straight, straight. All right, so let's finish right there for a second so we can go over something we are going to think about. When you do the bend, it is very important that when you do that step, you go for the bend, that you bring that foot close to the other foot. This is going to be even more important when we turn out the toes a little bit. So make sure that you are not leaving that leg behind and trying to do a bend straight, straight. That will start to feel very awkward and you won't know which foot to be on. But if you bring that leg with you as you bend, it will really help you to keep those feet underneath you, which will help you to feel more stable, less awkward, and more coordinated. Okay, so that is rule number one. Bring that foot with you as you do the bend. The other rule is to make sure that you're carrying your good posture. So it's going to be really helped by the fact that you're bringing the feet underneath you. When you bend the knees, try not to go back in the butt. Try to zip the jeans and carry your posture right over those legs. So you'll notice that my chest is staying tall as I'm doing the down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. Good. Okay, so now we are going to try this parallel down, up, up with just a little bit of music so that we can get accustomed to what it feels like to do that rhythm. And then we're going to come back and we're going to make it into the ballet step that you've seen so often. Standing up nice and tall, seams of the feet together. Here we go. We're going to go this direction. Down, up, up, and down, up, up, down, up, up. You may recognize this music. It's from Sleeping Beauty. Up, up. Let's do 4 more. And down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. And just lower the heels. Good. So now we are going to make this waltz step into the ballet format, which means we're going to be rotating the legs, the feet, just a little bit. Don't turn out too much. We really just want to get the step going with a gentle turnout. So go ahead and face your support. You can take the seams of the feet together, just gently open the toes out. The heels are together. Now we are mirror images here. I'm going to start with this leg. So you can take it out and you can have the toes pointed as well, but don't worry about that too much. I'm going to start on the ball of the foot so that we feel our connection with the floor. So placing your hands on your support, we're going to go to this foot and bend both knees. As we do that, you're going to bring that other foot so that the heel is just at the back of the other heel. And so this is the down. Notice that the knees are apart. They're not coming together like this. They're apart, and we're lifting up through our posture. So that was the down. We're on this foot. Now we're going to stand on the up, up, starting with the back foot. So we straighten the back foot, we stand up, up. Now this foot's free, we're going to go the other way. We go down, up, up, down, up, up. Just moving slowly down, up, up. Down. Don't worry about pointing the toes just yet. Remember to bring that foot for the down, up, up, bend, straight, straight, bend, straight, straight, and you have your support there, but try to keep your good posture, straight, straight. Last one, bend, straight, straight. Excellent. Okay, so that is with the turnout. Now the last part of this, and you don't have to do this, it's just fine if you don't point the toes just yet. But if you know how to do that, then let's do it together with the pointed toes. So starting with toes pointed, you're going to go down on this foot. When you come down, the knees are apart. The toe is pointed at the back of that ankle. And now you step on the ball. Up, up. And then you reach with the toe. You come down, other toe points at the back of the ankle, and you go up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, point, up, up, point, up, up. One thing to consider is that when you go with the pointed toe, you want to reach with pointed toes to go down, pointed toes, and then you go up, up, and now reach with pointed toes to come down and go up, up. Especially as we start pointing the toes, something to be mindful of is not to overcross the foot like this, okay? You really want that diamond shape. The knees are separated, and you want the toe right at the back of the ankle, okay? The moment the toe starts getting farther and farther away, especially when we're new at this, it's gonna feel less coordinated. You're not gonna know where those feet are. So in order to feel like you know where the feet are right underneath yourself, you want the toe right at the ankle as you go back and forth. So now we are going to try this with our music once again. Don't worry about pointing the toes, that's optional, but we're gonna do it with that little bit of turnout so that we really get our ballet technique starting to work for us. Standing in first position, go ahead and take the ball of the foot out here. Here we go. Down, up, up, and down, up, up. Bring the foot in, up, up. Bring it in, up, up. And down, up, up. Down, up, up. Two more. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. Good, and you just come back to first. Now we are going to do all of that just a little bit faster so that we start having our rhythm. And what I recommend is that you do it with your support and you practice this step, and then eventually take a little step away and see if you can do it with your hands on your waistline. And as you do it, you can do it slowly and then you can do it quickly. It's actually a little bit easier to do it quickly because when you do it slow, it can feel a little bit like teeter-totters up there. Okay, so we're gonna do it now up to speed using our actual Waltz of the Flowers so you can hear what we're after when we do our choreography. Standing in first position, take your hands lightly on your support. Go ahead and put the foot out there. We're going to go down on that foot. Here we go. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. Keep going, up, up, bring it in, up, down, up, up. If you'd like, take your hands off, down, up. Hugging at your core, lift up through your posture, up, down, up, down, down, up, last one. Good, okay, so that is our main step for this second part of our choreography. Be sure that you practice, practice, practice. And don't worry if it feels awkward, it will start to feel less awkward as you practice and become familiar with the coordination of this step. I really hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you did, like, subscribe, share, set your notifications, and definitely if you want more of my ballet training, head over to everydayballet.com and check out my ballerina body programs. As always, such a delight to share ballet with you, and until next time, happy dancing.